I'm Randy and I make candy, and tonight I'm making pumpkin spice truffles. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Last week, we started celebrating the holiday season by making a treat devoted to one of my favorite pies, pecan. Tonight, we're going to continue the holiday pie truffle theme with a little extra spice, because it is the pumpkin spices everywhere time of year. Why fight it? As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own pumpkin spice truffles, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For the truffle filling, you'll need 6 ounces of white chocolate or melting wafers, 2 ounces of room temperature cream cheese, 1/4 cup of pumpkin puree, not pumpkin pie filling, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, 3/4 cup of powdered dry milk, 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, and 1½ cups of shortbread cookie crumbs. You can substitute graham cracker crumbs here if you'd like. For the coating, you'll need either 16 ounces of white chocolate and 1½ teaspoons of orange icing gel, or 16 ounces of orange melting wafers. You'll also need a mixer, a spoon or spatula, a scoop, a bowl in which to melt the chocolate, a couple of precision dipping tools, and a cutting board lined with silpat, parchment, or waxed paper. Okay, let's make some candy. Combine the softened cream cheese and the pumpkin puree in a bowl and mix until smooth and combined. Add the powdered milk, powdered sugar, and pumpkin pie spice. And mix until smooth and combined. Melt 6 ounces of white chocolate. Since this is going into the filling, there's no need to temper it. Add the melted white chocolate to the mixing bowl and mix until it's incorporated. Finally, thoroughly mix in the graham cracker crumbs. Press some cling film onto the top and refrigerate until it's firm enough to roll, at least 2 hours. Temper the remaining white chocolate or melt the wafers. If you're using white chocolate, add the color about halfway through the melting step. Use a spoon or scoop to mold the filling into a ball. Dip it in the coating and let the excess drain. Then place it on a lined cutting board. Continue with the rest of the centers, then leave them on the counter to set. And that's it! Okay, let's give it a try. Slancheva! First off, the white chocolate makes this very sweet, so be prepared for that. texture is smooth and creamy. The pumpkin flavor isn't as strong as I was afraid it was going to be. It plays nicely with the cinnamon and nutmeg, and the ginger gives it a nice little bite. That combination of spices is kind of moving up into my nose from the back and bringing back some very pleasant memories. If you're looking for something a little different to put on the dessert table at your family dinner, you really ought to try these. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you'll join me next time. Tonight, we're going to continue the holiday pie truffle theme with a little extra spice, because the biggity, biggity, biggity.